Did you teach him to blow raspberries? Did you teach him that?
We're taking videograms.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Mama. Huh? Mama. You are so silly. You're so silly. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you blowing raspberries? You want that camera bad, don't you? You want that camera. You want that camera. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. I know. Oh, you want it so bad. What? Can you show him your teeth? Show us your teeth. Look at those little teeth in there. Look at them. Look at those little teeth. You want it so bad. Yes, you do. You want it so bad. Oh, can you reach? Can you reach? Can you reach? Oh, almost. Oh, almost.
Sorry, folks, I can't see the angle here. And Bryce is pulling on the camera.
Oh, now you're mad. Now you're mad. All right.
Good night, everyone.